School starting in less than a week, counselors are bringing up another major concern, mental health. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chad Mira.
And I'm Chelsea Helms. Thanks again for joining us tonight. According to the CDC, suicides and drug overdoses have claimed more young lives during the pandemic than COVID-19, which has killed nearly 200,000 people to date. KNWA's Lauren Craycall shows us just how crucial it is to make sure we are checking in on one another as we all face what are really challenging times.
COVID-19 has put the country in a state of chronic stress, and adding the unknowns of the upcoming school year, teachers say the weight of the world is on their shoulders as they navigate their emotions in order to meet the needs of their students.
I would advise communities to be incredibly supportive of your schools, because ultimately who that benefits are the very kids that we're all talking about.
Stacy Ritchie is a teacher at Rogers Heritage High School.
This year is going to require some grace.
In less than a week, she will be teaching over 20 students, showing them the fundamentals of English and how to speak up when things aren't okay.
Building a community in a classroom is going to be vital this year. I feel like students really need to feel that that's a safe place for them.
Suicides have spiked amid the coronavirus pandemic, especially among young people, according to the CDC. Coretta Woodard, a local licensed professional counselor, says it's more important than ever teachers like Richie take care of themselves as we head into a new school year.
It's a really season right now to where we have to offer up grace to ourselves first before we can offer it to others.
With all the unknowns, Woodard wants to remind us the significance of leaning on one another.
Maybe it would be good to have a therapist to where you can have that safe space to say the hard things. It gives you that freedom and that liberty to kind of release that.
Because it's one of the main things that can help.
Reach out to people for support. Don't try to do everything by yourself this year. It's going to be a challenge with added responsibilities. Ask for help.
If you or someone you know is having thoughts of suicide, please call the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline at the bottom of your screen. Reporting in Rogers, Lauren Craycall, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.
Thank you, Lauren. And you can also find that number right now on our website. The CDC reports that 1 in 4 young adults have seriously considered suicide in the past month alone. That new data was in the Morbidity and Mortality Weekly Report. Of all the people surveyed in June, 11% said they had seriously considered suicide that month. For people 18 to 24 years old, that number jumped to more than 25%. Overall, 40% of people reported problems with mental health and substance abuse in June.